Who is you, brother? This is the problem you have with you. You love say me I talk about people think me I talk about my car and the DJ will book me for big show car. Who is you? Me I talk about my car with the red interior. Not the Benz, you know. Come here, man, say me nah no car, me no live nowhere. Not the Benz. Let me show you what here. Me car with the red interior. And being a G-Wagon with the red. You notice me now say the G-Wagon of mine? Me never say my one. Me never say my one, you know. Me say because beenie have the G-Wagon with the red interior, me go pull out my car with the red interior. Me never say me go pull out beenie car, batty man, suck good boy. Cause you must fuck man. You have to be a batty man. And must man you come over here come look. Why you defend? You don't even pull out a red umbrella. You don't even pull out a red socks. Me pull out a red interior car, beenie pull out a red interior van. You come over here with a red interior tongue. Your period mouth you come and talk out. Go suck your mother, man. Me a talk about me and the DJ we book FOOTA hype. We a talk about our vehicle them. Go suck out all of your man mother them, my youth. Tired of you now, man. Go suck out your man mother. That me I tell you. Me I talk about my own things. And my DJ friend things. Nobody where you come over here defend, you don't know, them don't know you. Me I talk about myself, Mr. Batty man. Me I talk about myself. And my car with red interior. And beenie car with red interior. You could have ever won a good crepe. Bumbuckler. Suck out your man, mother them, man. I want to tell you. Juba, where you dealing? Remember when you say me now have nothing, I mean, no live nowhere, I mean, but me can still pull out Vic. And me can pop off title to and show you. Voila. Oh no, wait there. Sometimes, I too me not too wanting in my business, you know. But I don't chat too much. Remember what year? The little boy was saying get him bat and play with and him love it. Trick or no. I'm telling about him buy Benz. And when well attack me. Zine? Say, oh, who have Benz and who have nothing. And I tell them, say, if you pop out one of them here. One of them here in America. Real title, not lean. Not payment lean title. Straight. Come here, straight nation. And this is not the Benz. Look good. This is not the Benz and this is not the Camry. Look good. Different something this. I don't know, one of them and either more than one. Enough of the people I'm going to say own things. I want to there start trace with people. Ask them for sure even one of them here. Tell them for sure even one of them here. One complete title. Title. Me not talk payment receipt. Title. Enough of them will say they want a house and they want car and all of these things. Tell them show a title. That me don't talk to you now. Remember say, when you draw me out already, make me show my Benz title already. You know? I mean, I really want to show a bag of title, you know that. So when you relax, when you hear me over here, I talk about myself and I talk about who I support me, I don't want to come give me a chat. You hear that? Don't come give me a chat, man. You don't talk to me. I'm a common boy in America. Here. Yeah, I never common boy in Jamaica. No fun I just what glitter on the eye on the talk about. I just glitter on the eye. Stop run with glitter eye, man. I want to no title this. This is not a lean title. A straight nation, I say, I not do lean. You hear that? Yeah. Keep that in mind. And we're being it today. That Benz they were being it drop at Jamaica today. And a normal something for do that. And no regular money. You have to have. If you drop 2025 G-Wagon in a 2025 straight out of plastic in a Jamaica. You hear that? In a Jamaica. You know what I'm show you how dangerous me is? Remember that title you're there, so you know. You want me to go over this for one different one? And show you, no? Better to behave on yourself. Shabba, you not tell them some own a car wash van and them something. You not tell them. Shabba, remember me see you do your car wash thing and it inspire me. I'm going to buy a car wash van. You never tell them. You have to tell them, you know, Shabba. Me a boy, I believe in an investment and hustling. Yeah. You have to tell them, man. Tell them stop chat, man. Some of them just come over here and type it. You chat too much, man. You know, if you sit down and listen when real people attack. Because you're not a baby. When you come like when Red Rat sing the song say Charlene. You see me? When you come like some girl frightened. And I always some man a trace. Man, you know, always a trace. Always a trace. Can me come over here, me free for talk about Beenie. Beenie book me film event, me free for talk about Beenie. And me free for give Beenie props. For turn up the ground here now with a G-Wagon there. Bet say if the man did buy one little X5 or one little Hardy van or so uno that style the man. The man got the big league. You understand what I say? Thank you, Tora. The man got big league. I remember say, less than 2 months ago, the man dropped a Maserati from England. And a Benz for Tristan. So when I say, the man a go hard. You know what I like with people? Uno go on like a one man to have money. Uno go on like a one man to sell out show. Uno go on like a one man to have the prettiest girl. Uno go on like a one man to have house. Uno go on like a one man to have money. Like a what? Where we wanna come from? Where wanna come from? This name, reggae and dancehall, it big for everybody. Look how much decades Beenie Man a drop Hummer, Beamer, all kind of vehicle. So now gonna Beenie Man new to this. Me don't understand. Me I try get what I try say. Like una idiot or what? How long Beenie Man a do this? Beenie Man, the first man carry H to a Jamaica, mash you up, crush you right here off, and get a H1 and crush you right here off too. When the ball by Lexus, them there Jamaica, and Beenie Man have one. When the Trailblazer van them around the place, when Sizzla have one, Cape Town one, and Beenie Man have a red one. You're not going to like Beenie new to this. Beenie do this. Beenie them not buy us long time, have us for a long time. Come on, like, seriously, man? Wanna stop the bad mind thing, man. I know one somebody. This no Billy Runner one smaddy. This no Billy Runner one smaddy. You need to relax, man. Relax on yourself, man. You know where I fuck up the world? Guess where I fuck up the world? Baba. Here where I fuck up the world now. Zin? Member say. I know the whole of them pussy whole of parents did have TV now. You see them look up people where I chat? Here why them chat so. Them parents them never have no TV. Them it broke like dog. Big up Negos British. Bad selector. Atlanta. So them never could have see what I go on because them never used to watch Entertainment Report and never used to watch On Stage. Even before On Stage, Entertainment Report was there. So them never get to see what I go on because them never have no TV. A Kirsten lamp them did blood clot have. And buckle torch. You see me? So them never know that. You understand? Them never know that. So now, when a internet age, they must see everything. I just couldn't them see something. Zin? So, them on glass see what them can see. Oh God! Jesus Christ! Them man are rich. You ever see one of them here yet? Some of the people them wanna say rich, you ever see one of them here yet? You ever see one of these? Yet, this name title. And the one here where you see with the blue and the something on it, it not lean. No payment not upon it. Sometimes when if you stop make people trick you know. I saw me see some little vlogger trick you know. Some little internet people are trick you know. Trick you know. Say them rich. Because them post 2 picture. If I never me, you would even know say some of them a car payment them have. Jamaica have the new style now, you know. That style that we run America, where people put on our money and pay monthly, it run Jamaica too, you know. Thanks to PJ Patterson, you know, it run Jamaica too. You can go anyone I car dealership them and put on your little deposit and pay monthly. And the bank will gladly give you the loan. Guess why? Them know that 90% of Jamaican people I go bankrupt. I go can't pay the car payment. So when them take it back, you lose your money and the bank sell back the car, make back their money plus where you pay already. So you have to understand these things. Not because they say a man a drive something and say him buy it. Just stop you and say, let me see title there. And see if them talk the same way. So you stop rampant people, man. No found no know what beenie man just do. That bumbuckler G-Wagon they done at Jamaica 2025 in a 2025. Give the man in props, man. Give the man in bumbuckler props, man. Give the man in props, man. Give the man in bumbuckler props, man. All enough boy yesterday a foreigner drive vehicle up and down. Ask them to show you the title. Ask them to show you the title. All some of the girl will get tricked and get fucked through vehicle and them something there. You ever stop to ask the man, say, let me see a title. Let me see paperwork for your car. You know that shame. You know that gas on the front and light it. If you know so you want to get tricked. Me not like when people bad mind dog. When a man do something great, him do something great. And a monkey money being spent for that G-Wagon there, reach down to Jamaica. I remember 2.5 months ago, being sent down one Maserati. So how not going like a joke thing the man a deal with? You think a reaper man can coffee that a G-Wagon down at Jamaica? You think it could have passed through WAF if him there have payment on it? Come on, man, and have respect, man. When what due to Caesar, give it to Caesar. And most of the artists them, where you see get back visa, them are going to drop big vehicle down there. And not for one man. The lifestyle is not for one man. I for anybody where God bless. I for anybody where I feed them time. I for anybody where I feed them time. Only if you stop the bad mind thing, dog. Stop the bad mind thing. Yo, remember, you know, them say me are the brokest man on social media, you know. Them say me are the brokest man. You see what I go with Puff Daddy? One of the richest man in Israel.